Brazil. My matrix number is 08DKA20F2003.
My name is haren-thurga-faiz-azlina. I saw University. My matrix number is 08DKA20F2004.
Objective: firstly, to apply the principle of hydraulic brake. Secondly, to demonstrate the fundamentals of brake systems and explain the operation of a hydraulic brake.
Okay, so this is the project done by our group, hydraulic brake system. It can be used in any vehicle such as car, lorries, motorbike. So things we need to make this project is 4 set of syringe and a motor to rotate, 2 set of batteries which is 1.5 voltage, and we need this type of tube, silicone tube to set. And we assume this as the brake pedal, this as the car tire, this is the piston and brake calipers. Okay, so now I will show how it's work. So when I turn on the switch, the tire will rotate, and when I push it through, the piston will move inside and stop the tire. Okay, let's see. Like this. So we see on one time. So now my friends will explain the principle and the science behind this concept.
Principal hydraulic brakes work on the principle of Pascal law, which states that pressure at a point in a fluid is equal in all directions in space. According to this law, when pressure is applied on fluid, it travels equally in all directions, so that uniform braking action is applied on all 4 wheels. The brakes are one of the most important control components of vehicle. They are required to stop the vehicle within the smallest possible distance, and this is done by converting the kinetic energy of the vehicle into the heat energy which is dissipated into the atmosphere. In our vehicle, 2 disc brakes are used on the front axle to be more effective, and drum brake on rear axle assisting to slow or to stop the vehicle instantly after applying the brakes. Tandem master cylinder is used as a master cylinder in our vehicle because the tandem master cylinder transforms applied brake force into hydraulic pressure, which is transferred to the wheel units through 2 separate circuits. This provides residual braking in the event of fluid loss. A hydraulic brake is an arrangement of braking mechanism which uses brake fluid, typically containing glycol adders or diethylene glycol, to transfer pressure from the controlling mechanism to the braking mechanism. A hydraulic brake circuit has fluid, field master and slave cylinders connected by pipes. The master cylinder transmits hydraulic pressure to the slave cylinder when the pedal is pressed. When you push the brakes pedal, it depresses a piston in the master cylinder, forcing fluid along the pipe.
Impact on this mini project. The braking system becomes very powerful as they have to stop heavy vehicles that will be given speed at close range. Vehicle momentum is kinetic energy. Since energy cannot be destroyed, only changed, the braking system converts this momentum into heat energy. Lastly, can dissipate this heat quickly. If the brake system overheats, it can cause the brakes to fade. Brake fading occurs when the brakes can no longer turn momentum into heat. The more the brake pedal is pushed, the less brake work.
When the brakes are pressed, it will give an effect or impact to send high pressure fluid to the brake caliper to produce friction to slow down the vehicle. The master cylinder is connected to the brake pedal, stepped on by the driver to force free to be pressure to each wheel brake assembly. Here hydraulic force is used to force the pads in the plate brake assembly against the rotation of the rotor or to push out the brake shoe against the rotation of the brake spindle.